Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer people. Like many of you, I've been gripped and horrified over the last couple of days by the terrible news coming out of Beirut, the capital of Lebanon. As you will probably have seen, there was a huge explosion in the dock area of Beirut the other day that's caused widespread devastation across the city. And Beirut's a place I've been to a couple of times and always really enjoyed being in. So, it has particular kind of personal resonance, this story. What makes the story even sadder, I think, is the fact that before this huge explosion, Lebanon was already on its knees. If you say that something is on its knees, it means it's very weak after a long period of difficulty. For Lebanon, the country has endured a 15-year civil war. It's often been caught in the crossfire of other regional conflicts like the Syria conflict. It's been hit hard by the coronavirus crisis. There have been waves of demonstrations sweeping the country, protesting about corruption. The economy is basically in complete freefall, and now this happens. It's just one thing after another, and then another thing after that. We also can say that companies are on their knees, or maybe a football club is on their knees, or a language school is on its knees if it's in a very bad way after a long and difficult period. If you've enjoyed this, please do click the like button, share it with friends and subscribe. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of things that you think are or were on their knees.